Today, I'm going to make this colorful blend photo editing in Canva. First, go to canva.com. Select any size. Upload your picture. I'm using a demo picture. First, remove the background. Now select the background color you want. Now search for the shadow with the background color. Select the photo and go to Edit. Then select Duotone and then Custom. Pick the light color first. Then pick the deep color. Set the intensity to 20. I'm making another one.